Hello, I'm AI Rahul. Welcome to Padma Mart, an exclusive car fashion showroom since 2002, Katak Road, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. For more contact 9438333444.
Cubo Smart Dashcam Pro GPS. Let's see how good it actually is. This is Cubo Smart Dashcam Pro GPS. Cubo is part of the total darkness, the surroundings being mostly illuminated by the headlights. I was surprised when I noticed recordings like these. The dashcam has a battery within. Not sure how long it can record for, but it does record even if the car is off, monitoring the surroundings when parked. So why would you need a dashcam? 1. To prove whose fault it is during an accident. This also serves as proof for the insurance company. Also, you can question incorrect challans. I've had times when people jump in front of me and start fighting. I just point at the camera and they drive off, which saves us from making unnecessary fights. The camera records continuously, and when it encounters sudden high G forces such as shakes or collisions, it records to an emergency folder, which makes it easy to find. We also have some cool features available via the app when connected to the dashcam in your car, which allows you to relive your journey, route tracking if you want to monitor your driver's activities. You can also create time lapses, which is a great option if you are a travel logger. The dashcam is a necessary investment in this day and age, and God forbid that you ever need to use it, but it does give you a bit more security if something does happen. And if you need more detail, and the app is fast and we can view the recordings of the camera smoothly. Copying the video off the camera via Wi-Fi was a bit troublesome, but I just removed the card and copied it onto my laptop directly. The Cubo Dashcam Pro is